Remember the times when you would go to Blockbuster on a weekend to rent movies? Those were the days of Dirty Dancing, Stephen King books, Whitney Houston songs, and Space Invaders. Simpler times indeed. Today, people would instantly know how old you were based on that Blockbuster card. The 80s were definitely a fun era. Also known as the greatest decade, it was the time of the Breakfast Club, cassette tapes, and big hair. Want to imbue your works with the same fun vibes? Then check out these vintage VHS fonts. Number 1. Gemini Cluster. This expanded futuristic font family from harnessless Typeco includes 6 weights and 3 styles, for a total of 18 fonts. Wide, bold, and modern. This will look amazing in game or sci-fi concepts. Number 2. CRT64. Inspired by 80s computer system aesthetics and CRT displays, this retro typeface designed by Darumo Shop can be used in large or small blocks of text. The pack also contains Space Invaders characters in EPS file, as well as template PSD with CRT glitch effects for text and backgrounds. Number 3. Bisect. Create something cutting edge with this horizontally shifted font. Make your headers, posters, or presentations exude energy and audacity when you add this gem to your works. Number 4. Barkley. Bad Spark presents this timeless font born out of a love for 80s typefaces. Now you can make book covers, posters, headlines, cards, and web pages in the style and vibe of Generation X. Number 5. Genome. Featuring 10 fonts, How Color brings to you this family of linear geometric lettering that stays readable no matter the weather. Consistent and minimalist. It's a must-have in every designer's toolkit. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.